Ho ho ho! Hi everybody, my name is Peggy, aka Peggy Peg. Welcome on my channel. So today we are officially 1 week away from Christmas. So I thought that I would do a Christmas hairstyle that you could do for your family reunions or your Christmas party with your friends. I hope it's not too late, so I'm gonna take the moment to wish you all a Merry Christmas and an Happy New Year, Happy 2019 year. So yeah, I hope a lot of joy, a lot of health, friends, love, money. Talking about money, guys, I just want to ask you a little something. So if you ever see a commercial on one of my video, I'm asking you, please, if you could see it, watch it, like all of it, like not skip it, because that's the way that I'm actually gonna make money on YouTube. So please, if you ever see a commercial on one of my videos, watch it till the end. Okay, thank you guys. If you want to support your girl, you know I'm a broke student. So yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna show you that hairstyle. Keep on watching, guys. Oh no. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is just part my hair in a deep part. Deep like that. And here I'm just gonna make a part on top of my ear. So all the hair that is in between, I'm gonna braid that. So I just want to put the hair that is in the back away. This hair here, I'm just gonna go ahead and do a cornrow. Alright, so I'm just gonna take another elastic to secure that braid here. So I made it on purpose to not make it tight, so that it can have a little bit of volume. Okay, so that's what my braid is looking like. So now I'm just gonna take all of my hair, take my soft brush and smooth everything in the back. And then I'm gonna remove that elastic and make a big ponytail with the rest of my hair. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is take some fake hair. That's some random hair that I brought from from my local beauty supply store. Like, I don't know what brand it is, but it's just some hair, and I'm using a silky one just because I got my relaxer 2 weeks ago, so my hair is still pretty silky, so that it can match a little bit my hair. So what I'm gonna do is just roll that around my ponytail. So I'm just gonna take a part of the weave and roll it around the elastic. and I'm gonna secure that with a bobby pin. Or two. And I'm gonna roll the rest of the weave around. So I didn't put my real hair in a little bun just because the hair that I choose is quite thin, so I still want my hair to be able to make some fullness for the ponytail. So that's why I keep my hair down and not in a bun. So I'm just gonna continue to roll my fake hair around my real hair. Okay, and when I get to the end, I'm just gonna do the same thing. Take a part of the weave and roll it around the base to secure. Then take another bobby pin to secure even more. Ooh, Pocahontas, is that you? Okay, so now to hide the base here, what I did is I did a braid with some conical long hair, some braiding hair that you use for the box braids. So I take a little bit and made a braid, sorry, with that. So what I'm gonna do is just roll that around the base. Went in here, and again some bobby pins. Y'all know I don't like bobby pins, but for this look I don't have the choice. So at least everything is gonna be secured. Roll that braid around. And secure once more. Alright, so now what is left to do is just my baby hair. So I'm gonna take this curl, what is it called? Curl Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste. So guys, this is the easy quick look that you could do for your Christmas parties with your family and your friends. Like, look at that weave. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that I'm gonna see you in another one, and don't forget I am trying to post a new video every Tuesday, so don't miss me. Subscribe to my channel to not miss any one of my videos, and don't forget, please guys, watch the commercials that's gonna be put in the beginning of my video and sometimes in between. So yeah, that's it. I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So yeah, that's it for the video guys. Sorry if I keep on touching that hair, it's so smooth. So yeah, thank you guys, bye.